Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 12th, 2025, we're analyzing NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. We'll be looking at the latest news and diving into the charts to see what potential trades might arise. Recent news indicates a weakening New Zealand dollar due to potential monetary easing by the RBNZ, while the US dollar is seeing some mixed sentiment depending on trade talks. Let's examine how this is reflected in the chart. First, let's look at the daily chart to get a broad overview of NZDUSD's performance over the past year. On the daily chart, we see a general downtrend over the past year, punctuated by periods of consolidation and minor rallies. Looking back to late September and early October of 2024, we can see it fell from about 0.635 to 0.608. We see a support level forming around 0.590 and a potential resistance around 0.605. Now, let's narrow our focus to the 1-hour chart for a more granular view of recent price action. Switching to the hourly chart, the recent price action shows some consolidation, but still within a longer-term downtrend. We see volatility around recent news events. Zooming in on the 15-minute chart, we can see even more detail and identify potential short-term trading opportunities. Looking at the recent 15-minute candles, we see a bit of indecision. If the price breaks below the 0.590 level, we could see further downside. Conversely, a break above 0.605 resistance might signal a potential rally. For now, considering the RBNZ monetary easing expectations and mixed US dollar sentiment, a cautious bearish outlook might be warranted in the short term. However, traders should remain vigilant and monitor news releases and technical indicators for confirmation or reversal signals. Key price levels to watch are 0.590 as support and 0.605 as resistance. To recap, the key price levels to watch are 0.590 as a critical support level and 0.605 as a resistance level. A break below 0.590 could lead to a further decline, while a break above 0.605 could signal a potential upward move. Given the current economic backdrop, a break below 0.590 is slightly more probable, especially if the RBNZ confirms further monetary easing. However, any positive news regarding trade talks or stronger-than-expected U.S. economic data could quickly shift sentiment and bolster the pair. Always manage your risk and trade responsibly. Thanks for watching.